Understanding the phrase, statement piece, in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's often used in fashion and style contexts: statement piece. This phrase has a unique meaning and is a great example of how specific terms can greatly enrich your English vocabulary. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. A statement piece refers to an item of clothing, jewelry, or accessory that is particularly noticeable, distinctive, and reflects the wearer's personality. It's something bold and eye-catching, a piece that makes a clear statement about who you are or what your style is. Often, a statement piece is the focal point of an outfit and is chosen to stand out. To better understand the concept, let's look at some examples. A brightly colored scarf in a monochrome outfit. A large, unique piece of jewelry, like a chunky necklace or oversized earrings. A pair of striking shoes that draw attention. A handbag with an unusual design or pattern. These items are all statement pieces because they catch the eye and define the overall look. Now, how can you use this phrase in your daily English? Here are a few examples. I love your necklace, it's such a statement piece. When choosing an outfit for the party, I focused on finding the perfect statement piece. He's known for always wearing a statement piece, like his signature red hat. Notice how the phrase is commonly used to describe something notable within fashion and personal style. Statement piece is a great phrase to add to your English vocabulary, especially if you're interested in fashion and style. It's a fun way to describe something bold and distinctive in an outfit. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase confidently in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.